This altcoin that I'm going to share with you in this video will easily 10x, and I'm going to tell and show you exactly why. This altcoin is in the RWA category, which stands for real world assets, and it's a sector in crypto that hasn't had its time in the sun this bull market yet. This project is going after a $22 trillion a year industry called bond stripping. Now, if you don't know what a bond is, it's a debt instrument that allows a company or institution to raise capital. So when you have a bond, you have the actual bond, and then you have the coupon rate, which is the yield that the bond pays out. So the act of bond stripping is exactly what it sounds like. You're able to strip the actual bond from the actual yield. And this is really popular in traditional finance because it offers institutions different ways to hedge risks within their portfolio. Here's the thing, in TradFi, you can only speculate on the current principal and the current yield of the bond, but allows you to speculate on the future principal and the future yield of the bond. So if you think the price of the bond is going to go up or down, or if you think the yield on the bond is going to go up or down, you can long or short the principal or the yield. And institutions are already loving this. And the altcoin that I'm referring to is Pendle Finance. Now, let me show you how it's severely undervalued. If we refer to DeFi Llama, which aggregates all of the DeFi protocols and shows how much money is in them, Pendle Finance is number 11 with $5.2 billion in total value locked, and it's been growing consistently. However, if you look at their market cap, you can see that it's only 572 million, which means they have a very good market cap to TVL ratio. One of my favorite quotes by Warren Buffett is that in the short term, the market's a voting machine, in the long term, it's a weighing machine, meaning that the voting represents the speculation, people just chasing what's hot. The weighing machine represents eventually these fundamentals will weigh in, and in this case, the market cap will catch up to the TVL and even exceed it, because in bull markets, we all know that a lot of times projects become overvalued. Last but not least, if you look at the price chart, they had a big dip within the past month, making it a really, really good time to buy.